My name is Ryder McDermott. I'm in 10th grade and I go to the GACTC. My program I chose was collision, repair, and auto body. My sending school was Hollidaysburg area senior high. This program offers a great opportunity basically. So last year I never wanted to go to school, but I mean here it's like it opens up another opportunity. I mean you get to work on cars, you get a paint booth, you got a framing machine. It's amazing. I have a van myself, 1975 Chevy van, and I love working on it. I'm always around cars. That's just what I do. So when I heard about this, I was like, oh, that's a perfect opportunity. The thing that I was mainly surprised about was we have the biggest shop. I wasn't expecting the shop to be this big. And just everything they have here, like I wasn't expecting the frame machine or the paint booth or stuff like that. Mr. Hoover, he's a great guy. He works with everybody. He'll help you with anything. If you have questions, he'll show you. He's just a really great mentor. Working in this program is definitely what I'm looking for. It has everything that is required for after you graduate. I want to open up my own body shop. I want to do dent repair and I want to do refinishing, so painting, cars, stuff like that. So I will earn the Pennsylvania State Inspection license, the emissions license. All of those in the long run will count towards like all the certifications and truly what makes you a body technician. This is a really great program. Sometimes they can be a little rowdy, but I mean other than that, it's all just one big family, I love it here. And really, I mean, once you get in the hang of it, it's awesome, it's amazing.